To customize always on display in Honor 600, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to enter home screen and style, and then we can enter always on display. You will need to make sure that always on display is active, otherwise you won't be able to see all of its features. To customize it, we can first select screen off mode to full screen or partial screen. Now partial screen offers more customization options, but will be limited to the size. It will only appear in a small window like that I'm drawing with my finger. Then you can customize it with different images. You can add your own custom image right here. You can choose any of the styles from this list, or basically pick anything from there. All of them will offer different customization options, so it's really hard to show them all, but let's focus on one. For example, this one. From here we'll be able to enter text for this specific always on display style. We can enter that text, we can then customize the text with different rainbow color, and we can also add stickers and move them around if we like. So you probably get it. There's a lot of different options that you can use, and not even that, you can scroll all the way down, and in more you'll be able to download custom always on display styles as well from the themes store. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.